Okay, so our next question says, what is sine of x plus cos of x in terms of sine? Okay, so what we need to do is, if you guys recall the Pythagorean theorem, they recall the Pythagorean theorem, or on the Pythagorean theorem, where this was, you guys recall, which was b squared equal to a squared plus b squared. And from our trigonometric identities, we know that cos squared from trigonometric identities, let's recall that cos squared plus sine squared x is equal to 1, right? So this is kind of like our Pythagorean theorem. And so to basically, what is sine x plus cos x in terms of sine? So our answer has to be in terms of sine. And so what we can do is, so since our answer needs to be in terms of sine, we need to make an equation that cos, for in this case, cos is equal to sine, right? And so what we have is, if we isolate cos squared x, we just move sine squared x to the other side. So we have cos squared of x is equal to 1 minus sine squared of x. And since we want our terms in sine, what we do is we have to square with both sides to cancel out, or to basically cancel out the square. Okay, so we square both sides, and you're left with cos x equal to plus and minus 1 minus sine squared of x. And so, however, or I think it's, if it's in terms of sine, I think you have to write the answer is so sine is equal to, so I think we just did the opposite. So what we have to do is, you guys will call it cos squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So let's isolate for sine squared x. And you would just move cos squared x to the other side, right? So you have sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared. You square root both sides, cancel out the squared. You have sine of x is equal to plus minus 1 minus cos squared of x. Okay, so this is your answer, where sine is equal to the answer, right? So this would be there. So it would be sine of x is equal to plus minus square root of 1 cos squared x.